So, you know, Tom, when you first came to me, you said, "What's up with this little bitty radio that's in here?" And you had asked me, you know, did I think you should add navigation? And I said, no, just get the basic radio. We've got something that'll really fit this out nice.
And we ended up with the Alpine.
The Alpine X409, the restyling system.
And restyling, nobody can tell that's an aftermarket radio in there.
Absolutely.
Because they've restyled it to match the OEM, original equipment manufacturer, the original look. And it's really slick the way it fits in
Yeah,
there.
instead of every other manufacturer out there, they give you little adapter pieces, and you buy this little universal kit that adapts the size, and you can always tell it wasn't really made for the car. It's like, okay, here's this perfectly flat screen, and then here's these blank pieces of plastic to take up space, and it just looks cheesy.
And it's got a touch screen on it. It's got the navigation for the roads. It also has an off-road navigation functionality, which is so cool.
It does. It has crystal clear hands-free for your phone, and that's seamless. So all your stuff works. You know, your steering wheel controls, your Uconnect, and all of that. It all works just like it did. So nothing changes. It's crystal clear. It's very, very easy to hear.
It does. It even has a feature where I can watch it ties in with the gauges of the vehicle, so you see your RPMs, your speed, your fuel, all on the screen of the Alpine.
Yes, it is active on the CAN bus, and it is collecting information. They can display it in all kinds of different ways, which makes it really nice. It shows your climate control changes. It shows everything that you add on like that.
So when we built this, because we intend to use it as to stand out and to get people to ask questions and start conversations about Axleboy and what we did.
Yeah.
So we added a few things to it that may not have a lot of functionality, but they're just fun. I'm thinking of the Diode Dynamics headlights that have the inner and outer rings, and we can change the colors with them with the phone.
Right.
With the app on the phone, and then I can even like set it up, have the radio on, and the lights will dance to the music.
Right. So what we did was we did the Mopar LED upgrade. Okay, so we got the headlights that would be in a factory-equipped LED upgrade. Now Diode Dynamics makes a retrofit kit that puts in demon eyes and RGBW halos. And then we took it to our friends over at RetroShop, and then they were able to etch our logo into the projector, and then they color matched some of the pieces to give it that true custom feel. And then, like you said, we can change the lights, we can make them dance, we can do different patterns.
It's those kind of Easter eggs that really fascinate people when we have it on display.
Absolutely.
And Jeep already, I mean, it's part of the Jeep sort of DNA to put Easter eggs all over and different emblems, and the area code of what Akron, Ohio is etched into the truck bed. Those are some of the Easter eggs they put in. But when people see the Axleboy logo etched into the headlight, and the way it glows when they're on, it really gets people excited.
It does, and it's been a great piece to really attract attention and get people to come over and talk. It's at the shows, that's the first thing people come over and talk to us about. That's not the only Diode Dynamics piece that we put on it, though. We also put on the pods, the light pods under the tent to light up the camp area that we're setting up. And we were able to wire those through with the factory auxiliary switches, so we have that clean factory look, factory function, and then we have plenty of light. We use the flood lens, and it lights up the whole area. You don't have to worry about being able to see the setup.
It does. I have fun sometimes when I'm picking up my kids in, and I just blast them with
Yeah.
They're
Light 'em all
really,
up.
really bright.
We also added the Diode Dynamics front lights
on the front,
the SS3s, and we did the yellow lens in the front, and that is a DOT compliant lens as well, so you can run that on the road without any problem. It does have a cutoff line. It's not going to blind all the other drivers.
Yeah, I like to run with those day and night with those yellow lights on, and then I'll dial in the Diode Dynamics, that outer ring, and you can set the color so they're both the same orange.
Yes.
And it really sets it off.
It's a good look.
No matter where I drive this thing, whether it's in a rural area, as you know, my office is downtown. Bring it down there a lot, and it just makes people happy. People just smile and wave. They talk to you at the gas station, at the stoplights. It's really been a super fun project.
It has, and I think that's a part of the whole spirit behind a Jeep in general. They just make people happy, like you said. People smile, people wave, they're always having a good time. I mean, how much better can it get than that?
That's what it's all about.
Yeah.